In the realm of cookware, choosing the right frying pan can elevate your cooking experience to professional levels. If you're seeking a blend of innovation, performance, and safety, this Oxo Professional 12-inch frying pan skillet stands out as a game changer. With a thoughtful design, premium materials, and impressive features, this frying pan has been crafted to cater to all your cooking needs. Number 1. Exceptional non-stick performance. Cook like a pro. One of the most crucial features of any frying pan is its non-stick coating, and Oxo delivers in spades with its diamond-reinforced ceramic coating. Unlike standard non-stick pans, this skillet ensures effortless food release. Cook delicate dishes like eggs, pancakes, and fish without sticking. Healthier cooking. Use minimal oil for a low-fat, health-conscious lifestyle. The diamond reinforcement enhances durability, ensuring that the non-stick surface performs exceptionally well over time, even with regular use. Plus, the PFAS-free, PFOA-free, lead-free, and cadmium-free construction ensures your meals remain safe and toxin-free. 2. Designed for superior cooking efficiency. The hard-anodized aluminum body of the Oxo frying pan is not just durable, it offers faster and more even heating compared to traditional aluminum pans. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked meals and hello to perfectly seared steaks and sautéed vegetables. Its unique shape provides 35% more cooking space, making it ideal for preparing large portions. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or cooking a family meal, this pan offers the room you need without crowding your ingredients. 3. Versatility. Across all stovetops. Another standout feature is the heavy-duty induction base. Unlike many other frying pans that struggle with induction cooktops, the Oxo skillet is optimized to deliver top-notch performance on induction, gas, electric, ceramic stovetops. This versatility ensures you can use the pan regardless of your kitchen setup. 4. Ergonomic and thoughtful design. The stainless steel handles are not only stylish but also ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip. Whether you're flipping pancakes or sautéing vegetables, the handle stays cool to the touch, enhancing safety and ease of use. Additionally, the streamlined rivets eliminate food traps, ensuring a smooth and snag-free interior. This small detail makes a significant difference in maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in your kitchen. 5. Easy maintenance and durability. Cleaning up after cooking is often the most dreaded task, but the Oxo frying pan makes it hassle-free. Its dishwasher-safe construction saves time and effort. Scratch-resistant surface maintains the pan's sleek appearance even with frequent use. For best results, gentle hand washing with a soft sponge is recommended to prolong the life of the non-stick coating. 6. Oven-safe for greater flexibility. The Oxo frying pan takes versatility to the next level with its oven-safe design. Withstanding temperatures up to 400 Fahrenheit, this pan allows you to start your dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven. Perfect for frittatas, baked casseroles, or seared-to-bake dishes, this feature makes it an all-in-one cookware solution. 7. What makes Oxo a standout choice? Oxo is known for its commitment to quality and user-friendly design, and the professional 12-inch frying pan skillet is no exception. Here's why it outshines the competition. Innovative non-stick technology. Diamond-reinforced ceramic coating ensures durability and excellent food release. Safe cooking, free from harmful chemicals like PFAS and PFOA. Spacious and versatile, extra cooking space and compatibility with all stovetops. User-friendly design, ergonomic handles and easy-to-clean features. Oven compatibility, ideal for versatile cooking styles. 8. A perfect gift for cooking enthusiasts. The Oxo Professional 12-inch frying pan makes an excellent gift for housewarmings, weddings, or any special occasion. Its combination of durability, elegance, and functionality ensures it will be appreciated by both amateur cooks and seasoned chefs. Final thoughts. Is the Oxo frying pan worth it? In summary, the Oxo Professional 12-inch frying pan skillet offers an unbeatable combination of performance, safety, and versatility. Its diamond-reinforced non-stick coating, induction compatibility, and spacious design make it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cookware. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, this pan is an investment in quality and convenience that will pay off with every meal you prepare. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.